Okay, right now we're shopping. And we just went to Kmart and look at all the shit we got. Like, oh, we went to the $2 shop to get balloons. And we got that spinning disco ball. And I got my... You're not even holding the camera straight. I am holding it straight. Oi. Okay. Now we're going... And we're going back to the bloody mall. We just that. Look at these beefing guys. Oh, Scott! We'll go closer, we'll go closer. Oi, this guy's... Oi, is that Asian? Oh, I thought it was Korean.
Yeah, he's Asian. He's Filipino, I think. I don't know.
Oh, he is Filipino.
Oh, I like that shirt. SpongeBob.
Beefing!
Wait, they even got a Samoan flag. Skaks. Please, skaks. Okay, we're on our way to...
Oh,
yeah, I know. Okay. Okay, don't look at me because I look too separate. We're on our way to Westgate and look at all our stuff for the party. Yeah. Zoo. I thought you said the zoo. Yeah. And yeah. Yeah, but I know, but like you can't just oh gosh. You just sometimes you have to like buy things. You can't like everything's just not all different. Some things are the same. Bye.
okay, let's go. Look at it! Let's get it! Wait, what happens if you put your saliva on it? Like when you put your tongue on it?
Go.
No, I'm scared. Hey! People have been touching it, who knows? What if a hairy man...
We got it out of the box.
Yeah, but don't people touch it before they put it in the box?
Oh, then I'm not listening. So how many times do you want to put? That's so cool. Anyway, we touch it, it's like,
Baby!
I got the whole world in my hand. Not.
More like a freaking bow sack.
Don't get